welcome to the measuring breakout room or escape room. Before I go into the garage, because this is garage edition, I need to set a timer. This timer is going to be set for 12 minutes. In this 12 minutes, we have tasks that need to be completed. When I enter this garage door, that is when the timer will start. I will explain more when we get inside. Here we go. Timer is set. Into the garage we go. All right, we're in here. We have a table filled with things. We have a pineapple, a shirt, picture of a cute dog named LeRoy, Converse, some bananagram letters, and a box. On this box it says, open after you complete all 5 tasks to break out. That means we cannot open it until we finish task 1, task 2, task 3, task 4, and task 5. There are 5 tasks in our measuring breakout garage edition today. I am going to show you how to read a tape measure because that is what we have to do for all of the tasks. Okay, here we go. Tape measure. We're going to open it. It's upside down. Turn it around. Make sure it's going the right way. All right, here we go. We have 1. This stands for 1 inch. 1 stands for 1 inch. I'm going to pull it out more. Okay, 1 inch. 2 inches. 3 inches. 4 inches. 5 inches. 6 inches. This longer line stands for the whole inch. So right here, this line is 6 inches, the whole inch from top to bottom. Okay, let's look past 6 to 7. This whole line is 7 inches, the longest line. It doesn't quite connect, but it almost does. That is the whole inch, 7 inches. Okay, now let's look in between 6 and 7. There's a glare. I'll try to, there we go. Here we go, in between 6 and 7 inches. There are fractions because there is half inches, 1/4 of an inch, 1/8 of an inch, and so on. We're just focusing on whole inches, 6, 7, 8, those are whole numbers, whole inches. Half inches, like 6 1/2, because 1/2 is half. And 1/4 of an inch. So this is 6 inches and 6 1/4 inches, right there. Right here, the half, the line kind of juts out more. The 1/4 juts out more. Those 2 that we're just focusing on, and whole inches. Again, let's look. If I'm going to measure my finger, we're going to measure it to the nearest inch. Down here, we're going to put the tape measure, 0, all the way to the top, all the way to the tip of my finger. Okay, let's get it back on track. There we go. How many inches long is my pointer finger? If you said 3, you're right. You're ready for our tasks. 5 tasks. Here we go. 12 minutes. All right, task 1. As you notice on the bottom, it says pineapple. We're going to save this just in case we need it too. Task 1. Take our tape measure. We have to measure this lovely pineapple here. Put it way at the bottom, touching the table or touching the bottom of the pineapple. And my tape measure is on lock, so it can just stay. I'm going to look up 1 inch, 2, 3, 4, 5 inches, 6. We have to keep going. 7 inches, 8 inches, 9, 10 inches, 11 inches. 12 inches is also the same as 1 foot. 12 inches equals 1 foot. We're going all the way to the top of the pineapple, the leaves here. We need to keep going. I need to make my tape measure longer. Okay, we were at 12. We need to keep going. 13. It's still a little taller than that. 14. It's a little taller than that, but it's not quite 15. We'll stop right here. Right here, I'll bring the tape measure closer. It's past 14, not quite to 15. Remember, we're focusing on whole inches and half inches. Pause the video if you need time to figure out what it is. 14 1/2 inches is how tall this pineapple is. So we're going to write 14 1/2 inches. Sorry about the handwriting, we're on a time crunch. 14 1/2 inches. I'm going to put that right on in front of my pineapple, and I'm going to take task 1 and stick it in my pocket for later. All right, on to task 2. Task 2, the word on the bottom is shirt. We're going to keep this for later. Okay, here we go. Task 2, we need to measure this shirt. I'm going to pull measure out, lock it so it stays. Put the end that has 1 at the bottom because that's 1 inch. It starts at 0 to 1. And I'm going to lay it flat all the way across. See how many inches long this shirt is. I got to 12 inches, which is 1 foot. All right, we're going to keep going. 24 inches is 2 feet because 12 plus 12 is 24. And we're going to keep going. Let's see, I need to make sure this shirt is laid flat. It is. Here we go. All right. Boom, got it. Here I come to show you where we're at. That's where we're at. 27 inches, but not quite to 28. It was right here. How many inches is that? 27 1/4 inch. I will write that down so you know what it looks like. 27 1/4 inches. There we go. We're going to lay that on the shirt and move to task 3. All right, task 3, it says picture. We're going to keep this for later again. Got a tape measure. And we've got a picture here. Okay, this picture is an adorable dog. And we need to measure this picture. Here we go. I'm going to get my tape measure ready. Lock it. I'll hold it up so you can see. Let me shorten this a little bit. All right, look at the top of it. I'll bring it closer so you can see. This is where we were right at 20 inches. Let's write that down so you know what it looks like. Right at 20 inches. 20 inches. We'll leave that right on the picture so we know this picture is 20 inches. Task 3 complete. Move on to task 4. Task 4 at the bottom it says Converse. We need to measure this Converse. Remember, you can measure with tape measures, rulers, yardsticks, whatever you have around the house. You can even measure with other items. If I wanted to see how many Skittles long my Converse is, I could do that. But today we're learning to read a tape measure. Here we go, in inches. How long this shoe is, we'll put it at the bottom, at the end. Make sure it's squared up down there. Get the picture out of the way. And look with our eyeballs. How long is this Converse? I'll move it closer. Does that help you? How many inches long? I think we can agree it is 10 inches long exactly. 10 inches. This Converse is 10 inches long. We're going to leave that right on the Converse. We have done task 1, task 2, task 3, and we just finished task 4. We have 1 task left. We need to round up all of our task cards and move to task 5. Here we go. Task 5, there are a bunch of bananagram letters here. I'm not exactly sure what to do. Don't panic. We've been measuring. Let's try the word measure. Oh, no, there is no M. That's not going to work. Let's try tape, because the tape measure. There's got to be some rhyme and reason to this, but I don't know. Oh, there's a T. T. A. Ooh, T-A. How do you spell tape? T-A-P. Ooh, no, P. No, that is not correct. All right, we are getting close on time. Let's take a peek at our task cards. Okay, we've got task 1, task 2, task 3, and task 4. There's words at the bottom. Pineapple, shirt, picture, Converse. Ooh, I noticed something. The N in pineapple is capitalized. The H in shirt is capitalized. the I in picture, and the C in Converse. Let's try that. Let's try getting the N. Okay, I've got the N. H. Let's get the H. I. Oh boy. And C. We got the C. Oh no, this does not spell a word. I'll give you a hint. In your head, mix them up. Try to make a word right now. Pause this video if you need more time. I'll give you a hint here. If you were thinking chin, you are incorrect. Try again. Keep trying. Time's running out. Again, pause this video if you need more time, and that's okay. But what have we been measuring with? Tape measure. What have we been measuring in? There's 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inches, 4 inches, 5, 6. Let's try inch. I, N, C, H. Yes, it's a go. Here we go. On to what we've been waiting for. Open after you complete all 5 tasks to break out. We have completed them. Nice job. Here we go. Let's see what is in the box. Ready? What? We get to break out. It's a garage door opener. Let's break out. Congratulations! You broke out. All right, I encourage you to get outside with a tape measure, with a ruler, yardstick, whatever you have at home, and start measuring things. Sticks, jump ropes, how long your sidewalk is, how long your driveway is. Maybe if you still have a shovel out like I do. Start measuring, get outside. It's getting so nice out. You guys are awesome. See you later.